Welcome to the example of developing a workforce schedule. The ABC parcel service is open 7 days a week. The schedule for requirements has been given to us in this table here. So basically, ABC Parcel Company is a service provider which has done its due diligence in finding out how many people does it require on each day of the week. Now it again works 7 days a week. So the number of employees they need on Monday is 6, on Tuesday is 4, Wednesday 8, Thursday 9, Friday 10, Saturday 3, and Sunday 2. Now the manager needs a workforce schedule that provides 2 consecutive days off and minimizes the amount of total slack capacity. So basically, even though the company is working 7 days a week, the employees need some time off. And the time off needed by the employees is 2 consecutive days off every week. Now the manager is trying to find out how he can give 2 consecutive days off to each employee and at the same time minimizing the amount of total slack capacity. That means avoiding situations where there is a requirement for an employee but the employee is not available. Now to break ties in the selection of days off, the scheduler gives preference to Saturday Sunday if it is one of the tied pairs. Now while deciding the time off for employees, let's say there is a tie between Saturday Sunday and Tuesday Wednesday. So what the scheduler has decided is that the preference will be given to Saturday Sunday if possible. If not, she can select one of the tied pairs arbitrarily. So let's say there is a tie such that Saturday Sunday is not one of the options. So the tie is, let's say, between Monday Tuesday and Thursday Friday. In that case, the scheduler can choose any one of the pairs arbitrarily. So let's find out how this manager can go about deciding the time off for the employees. Now the first step in solving such a problem is to list down the net requirements of employees for all the days of the week. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. For Monday, the requirement is for 6 employees. For Tuesday, requirement is for 4. Wednesday, 8. Thursday, 9. Friday, 10. Saturday, 3. And Sunday, 2. Now the next step is to find out the 2 consecutive days out of these 7 days which have the lowest net requirements, and the first employee will get those 2 days off. So let's find it out. So let me list down the days of the week. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Now by calculation, we find that Saturday and Sunday have the net requirement of 3 plus 2, 5 days. Sunday and Monday have 2 plus 6, 8. Monday, Tuesday has 6 plus 4, 10. And Tuesday, Wednesday has 4 plus 8, 12. So Sunday and Saturday are the ones which have the lowest net requirements. So for employee 1, we can give Saturday, Sunday off. So employee 1 will be working on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and taking off on Saturday and Sunday. So if employee 1 is working Monday through Friday, our net requirements now become 6 minus 1, which is 5, 4 minus 1, which is 3, 8 minus 1, which is 7, 9 minus 1, which is 8, and 10 minus 1, which is 9. And since he is out on Saturday and Sunday, the net requirements remain the same, which is 3 and 2. Now for employee number 2, let's again find out the 2 consecutive days which have the lowest net requirements after employee 1 has been given the days off. So here Saturday and Sunday combination have a requirement of 3 plus 2 5. Sunday Monday has 2 plus 5 7. Monday Tuesday has 5 plus 3 8, and so on. So again Saturday Sunday has the lowest net requirement of 5 resources. So employee 2 can also take off on Saturday and Sunday. So for employee 2, he'll be working on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and taking off on Saturday and Sunday. So now with employee 2 working on these days, the net requirements become 5 minus 1, which is 4, 3 minus 1, which is 2, 7 minus 1, which is 6, 8 minus 1, which is 7, and 9 minus 1, which is 8. And Saturday Sunday, because he is not available, the requirements remain the same, which is 3 and 2. Now again for employee number 3, let's find out the days with the lowest net requirements. So again Saturday Sunday have 5, Sunday Monday have 2 plus 4 6, Monday Tuesday has 4 plus 2 6, Tuesday Wednesday has 2 plus 6 8, and so on. So lowest is still Saturday Sunday. So again employee 3 can take off on Saturday and Sunday and work on the remaining days. So then the net requirements become 4 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 1, 6 minus 1 5, 7 minus 1 6, 8 minus 1 7, and Saturday Sunday remain the same. Now again let's find out the 2 consecutive days with the lowest requirement. So Saturday Sunday now again have 3 plus 2 5, Sunday Monday have 3 plus 2 5, and Monday Tuesday have 3 plus 1 4. Tuesday Wednesday have 1 plus 5 6. So Monday Tuesday have the lowest net requirements. So employee 4 can take Monday Tuesday off and work on the remaining days. So then the net requirements become 3 1, this is as it is, and then 5 minus 1 4, 6 minus 1 5, 7 minus 1 6, 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 1 1. Now again let's find out the lowest net requirements. So Saturday Sunday have 2 plus 1 3, Sunday Monday have 1 plus 3 4, Monday Tuesday have 3 plus 1 4, Tuesday Wednesday have 1 plus 4 5. So the lowest net requirement is for Saturday and Sunday. So employee number 5 can take Saturday and Sunday off and work on the remaining days. So after scheduling the employee number 5 for taking off on Saturday and Sunday, the net requirements now become 3 minus 1 2, 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 1 3, 5 minus 1 4, 6 minus 1 5, and 2 and 1 as it is for Saturday and Sunday. Now again let's find out the lowest net requirements. So Saturday Sunday have 2 plus 1 3, Sunday Monday have 1 plus 2 3, Monday Tuesday have 2 plus 0 is 2, Tuesday Wednesday have 0 plus 3 is 3. So the lowest is for Monday Tuesday, which is 2. So employee number 6 can take Monday and Tuesday off, and work on the remaining days. So now the net requirements become 2 and 0 as it is, 3 minus 1 2, 4 minus 1 3, 5 minus 1 4, 2 minus 1 1, and 1 minus 1 0. Now again let's find out the lowest net requirements. So Saturday Sunday have 1 plus 0 is 1, Sunday Monday have 0 plus 2 is 2, Monday Tuesday have 2 plus 0 is 2, Tuesday Wednesday have 0 plus 2 is 2. So the lowest is again for Saturday and Sunday. So employee number 7 can take off on Saturday and Sunday and work on the remaining days. So now the net requirements become 2 minus 1, which is 1. Now the net requirement for Tuesday is 0 employees. However, employee number 7 is going to work on Tuesday. So basically what we are saying is that there is an extra person working on Tuesday. However, the net requirement still remains 0. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, and 1 and 0 as it is. Now for employee number 8, let's find out the net requirements. So Saturday Sunday have 1 plus 0 is 1, Sunday Monday have 0 plus 1 is 1, Monday Tuesday have 1 plus 0 is 1, Tuesday Wednesday have 0 plus 1 is 1, and so on. So there is a tie between Saturday Sunday, Sunday Monday, Monday Tuesday, and Tuesday Wednesday. Now as given in this example, the scheduler has already decided that in case of a tie, if the 2 days are Saturday Sunday, then preference will be given to those 2 days, which is Saturday and Sunday. So for employee number 8, Saturday and Sunday will be given as days off, and he'll be working on all the remaining days. So now after this, the net requirements become 1 minus 1, which is 0. Now for Tuesday, the net requirement already is 0, and employee number 8 is going to work. So basically he is going to be extra on Tuesday. However, the net requirements are still 0. 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 1 and 0 as it is. Now again we have many 2 consecutive days with 0 as our net requirements, which is Sunday Monday, Monday Tuesday, Tuesday Wednesday. All the remaining pairs have more than 0 as their net requirements. So in this case, since Saturday and Sunday are not one of those pair of days which have the lowest net requirements, we can choose any pair of days arbitrarily. So in this case, let's choose Monday and Tuesday. So for employee number 9, we'll give him Monday and Tuesday as off, and he's going to work on the remaining days. So after deciding that employee number 9 is going to be taking off on Monday and Tuesday, the net requirements become 0, 0, 0. Now the net requirement for Wednesday is 0, but please note that the employee number 9 is going to be extra on Wednesday. For Thursday, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 0, and again for Sunday, employee number 9 is going to be extra, however the net requirement is 0. Now we have multiple days which have net requirement as 0. So Saturday, Sunday have 0, Sunday, Monday have net requirement of 0, Monday, Tuesday is 0, Tuesday, Wednesday is 0, Wednesday, Thursday is 0. However, since in these pairs we have Saturday and Sunday, and since Saturday and Sunday are given preference, so employee number 10 will be given off on Saturday and Sunday, and he'll be working on all the remaining days. So now the net requirements become 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. So in all, the parcel service company will need 10 employees. However, the point to be noted is that employee number 10 is being brought in only because there is a requirement of one person on Friday. So in such cases, what the manager can do is either avoid hiring employee number 10 and ask the other employees to do overtime by rotation in order to cover for this one extra day. The other option that the manager has is to keep the 10th employee, and in turn he'll be available to help out when the other employees are taking time off for sick days or extended vacations or so on.